Hey beautiful design lovers, welcome back to the Daily House, where we turn everyday spaces into magazine-worthy heavens. I'm absolutely thrilled you're here today because we're diving into one of my favorite seasonal transformations, creating a Studio McGee-inspired full farmhouse look that'll have your guests swooning the moment they step through your door. If you love clean lines mixed with cozy autumn vibes, you're in for such a treat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to transform your space. Drop a comment below telling me which room you're most excited to tackle. I read every single one. Studio McGee has revolutionized modern farmhouse design by perfecting what I call edited elegance, that beautiful balance between rustic charm and contemporary sophistication. Their signature approach focuses on neutral foundations, natural textures, and carefully curated accessories that never feel cluttered. Think warm whites, soft creams, and those gorgeous weathered wood tones that make every space feel both polished and lived in. The key is restraint. Every piece serves a purpose while contributing to the overall aesthetic. This fall, we're embracing their philosophy by incorporating autumn elements that enhance rather than overwhelm the clean, collected vibe they're famous for. Your home's exterior is the opening act of your design story, and Studio McGee knows how to make it unforgettable. Start with a classic white or cream facade. This neutral backdrop allows your fall decor to truly shine. Add black window trim for that signature contrast that makes windows pop like jewelry against your home's face. Consider installing board and batten siding or shiplap details for authentic farmhouse texture. A simple wreath with eucalyptus, wheat stalks, and muted orange blooms creates the perfect fall welcome without screaming Halloween store. Flank your entrance with matching planters filled with ornamental kale, mini pumpkins, and tall grasses for organic movement that guides guests naturally toward your beautiful entryway. Your entryway is where the magic begins, and Studio McGee's approach is all about functional beauty. Start with a gorgeous oak bench. The warm wood grain adds natural texture while providing essential seating for shoe changes. Position it against a crisp white shiplap wall for that signature contrast. Above the bench, install simple black hooks in a clean line for coats and bags. The beauty is in the simplicity. No ornate details, just pure function wrapped in elegant form. Add a large round mirror with a thin black frame to bounce light and create the illusion of more space. This foundation creates what designers call a landing zone, a purposeful spot where daily life happens beautifully. The right rug can transform your entire entryway. And this fall, we're embracing rich textures that whisper rather than shout. Choose a jute or sizzle runner in natural tones. These materials add organic texture while hiding dirt beautifully. Layer a smaller, textured wool rug on top in warm terracotta or deep sage green. This layering technique, beloved by Studio McGee, creates visual interest and defines the space. Look for rugs with subtle geometric patterns or simple stripes that complement rather than compete with your other elements. The key is choosing rugs that feel substantial underfoot. Guests should immediately sense quality and comfort. Remember, your rug should be large enough that it doesn't look like a postage stamp floating in your space. Studio McGee proves that storage can be stunning, and your fall entryway needs smart solutions that don't sacrifice style. Install a sleek console table with clean lines and hidden storage for gloves, scarves, and keys. Choose one in white oak to coordinate with your bench, creating a cohesive look. Add woven baskets underneath. These natural textures are perfect for hiding seasonal items while maintaining the organic farmhouse feel. Consider a vintage-inspired coat rack if wall hooks aren't enough. Look for one in black metal. With simple, geometric lines, the goal is creating designated homes for everything so your entryway never feels chaotic. Even during busy fall and winter months, when everyone's grabbing coats and accessories. Your living room should feel like the heart of your home, and Studio McGee's approach creates spaces that are both photogenic and perfectly livable. Start with a neutral sofa in linen or performance fabric. Think warm white or soft gray. Add throw pillows in fall colors like rust, sage, and cream, but stick to solid colors or subtle textures rather than busy patterns. Choose a large, chunky knit throw in cream or oatmeal for that cozy factor. Your coffee table should be substantial. Think reclaimed wood or white oak with clean lines. Style it simply with a small stack of books, a wooden tray holding candles, and maybe one beautiful autumn branch in a simple ceramic vase. Less is always more in this aesthetic. Full decorating in the Studio McGee style is about subtlety and sophistication rather than overwhelming abundance. Choose a few statement pieces rather than covering every surface. A large ceramic vase with dried pampas grass or wheat stalks makes a gorgeous focal point. Add small pumpkins in cream and sage green. Skip the bright orange unless it's just a touch. Incorporate natural elements like acorns, pinnacones, and beautiful branches, but edit carefully. The key is creating moments of seasonal beauty without making your space feel temporary. Think of it as adding autumn accessories to your permanent neutral foundation. This approach means your decor feels intentional and sophisticated rather than like you rated a seasonal store. Your dining room should feel ready for both casual family dinners and elegant entertaining, and Studio McGee's approach creates exactly that versatility. Start with a beautiful wooden dining table. If yours isn't wood, consider a table runner in natural linen or jute. Create a simple centerpiece using a long wooden tray filled with white and cream pumpkins, pillar candles in glass hurricanes, and sprigs of eucalyptus. Keep place settings classic. White or cream dinnerware with simple linen napkins in warm neutrals. Add texture with natural woven chargers or simple wooden salad plates. The beauty is in the restraint. This look photographs beautifully, but never feels too precious to use daily. Consider swapping out your regular dining chairs for ones with natural rush seats to add the organic texture Studio McGee loves. The kitchen is where life happens, and Studio McGee's approach makes it beautiful enough for entertaining while practical for daily cooking. If you have the budget, consider painting cabinets in warm white or soft sage green, colors that feel fresh but timeless. Style open shelving with a mix of white dishes, wooden cutting boards, and a few beautiful ceramic pieces. Add warmth with copper or brass hardware on cabinets and drawers for fall. Incorporate seasonal elements subtly, a bowl of pears or apples, a small potted herb garden, or a simple arrangement of wheat stalks in a ceramic pitcher. Keep countertops mostly clear except for beautiful, functional items like a wooden bowl holding lemons or a ceramic container for cooking utensils. The goal is a kitchen that feels both styled and completely livable. Every Studio McGee kitchen features a dedicated coffee station that's both beautiful and functional. Choose a small area of your counter or a console table to create this daily ritual space. Start with a quality coffee machine. It doesn't need to be expensive, just clean-lined and neutral. Add a wooden tray to corral coffee supplies, a small ceramic container for sugar, and perhaps a tiny potted succulent for life. Keep mugs on a simple mug tree or in a nearby cabinet with glass doors. The key is making your morning coffee routine feel special and organized. Consider adding a small chalkboard sign with your favorite coffee quote or the day's special brew. This little corner should make you smile every morning while looking effortlessly put together. Your family room needs to handle daily life while still looking camera ready. And Studio McGee excels at this balance. Choose furniture with washable fabrics and durable construction. But don't sacrifice style. A large sectional and performance. Linen provides plenty of seating while looking sophisticated. Add a large area rug in a subtle pattern. Geometric designs in neutral colors work beautifully. Your TV can be mounted above a simple console or built into a clean-lined entertainment center. Style the console with a few books, a small plant, and maybe a beautiful wooden box for remotes. Add cozy throws and pillows in full colors, but choose ones that can be easily washed. The goal is a space where kids can play and adults can relax while everything still looks intentionally designed. Creating a beautiful home office doesn't require a dedicated room. Studio McGee proves that style and function can coexist in the smallest spaces. Choose a simple desk with clean lines and adequate storage. A vintage-inspired desk lamp in brass or black adds both function and style. Keep your desk surface mostly clear except for essential items, a small plant, a beautiful pen holder, and perhaps a small vintage clock or radio for personality. Use a bulletin board covered in neutral linen or a simple pegboard for organization that doubles as decor. Choose an office chair that's both comfortable and beautiful. Consider one with natural materials like a rush seat or leather cushion. The key is creating a workspace that motivates productivity while looking like it belongs in a design magazine. Every home needs a quiet corner for reading and reflection, and Studio McGee's approach creates spaces that feel like personal retreats. Start with a comfortable chair. Think oversized and upholstered in natural linen or leather at a small side table for your coffee and books, choosing one with interesting texture like reclaimed wood or natural stone. Good lighting is essential. Consider a floor lamp with adjustable positioning or a table lamp with warm light. Create storage for books with a simple ladder shelf or floating shelves nearby. Add comfort with a soft throw and small pillow in seasonal colors. This corner should feel like your personal escape within your home. Beautiful enough to photograph, but comfortable enough for hours of reading. Your bedroom should feel like a peaceful retreat. And Studio McGee's approach creates spaces that promote rest while looking absolutely beautiful. Start with quality bedding in neutral colors. Think white, cream, or soft gray linen layer. Textures with a chunky knit throw, linen pillows, and perhaps a vintage-inspired quilt. Choose a substantial headboard, upholstered in natural linen or made from reclaimed wood. Keep bedside tables simple and clutter-free, styled with a small lamp, a book, and maybe a tiny plant or a small candle. For fall, add subtle seasonal touches like a small pumpkin on the dresser or autumn branches in a simple vase. The goal is creating a space that feels calm and collected, where beautiful design promotes better sleep. Your bathroom should feel like a spa retreat, and Studio McGee's clean aesthetic is perfect for creating this calming environment. Choose white or cream tiles for a timeless look. Adding texture with natural stone or wood accents. Keep the vanity simple and clutter-free, storing daily essentials in beautiful containers or baskets. Add warmth with wooden elements like a mirror frame or small stool. Choose fixtures in matching finishes. Brass or black work beautifully for that modern farmhouse feel. Include plants that thrive in humidity, like eucalyptus or ferns for fall. Add a small pumpkin or beautiful soap in autumn scents. The key is creating a space that feels clean and peaceful while incorporating natural elements that make daily routines feel more luxurious. Your garage doesn't have to sacrifice style for function, and Studio McGee proves that utilitarian spaces can still be beautiful. Start with organization. Use matching bins and baskets to contain seasonal items, tools, and sports equipment. Consider painting walls in the same warm white as your home's interior for continuity. Install simple pegboard systems for tool storage that looks intentional rather than chaotic. Add a sturdy bench for putting on shoes or setting down groceries. Include adequate lighting that's both functional and attractive. For fall, store seasonal decorations in beautiful labeled containers rather than random boxes. The goal is creating a garage that feels like an extension of your home style rather than a separate, neglected space. When guests peek in, they should see the same attention to design that flows through the rest of your home. Your patio should feel like an outdoor room, and Studio McGee's approach creates spaces that are perfect for fall entertaining and quiet moments. Choose weather-resistant furniture with clean lines, think teak or powder-coated metal in neutral colors. Add comfort with outdoor pillows and cushions in fall colors, choosing feed-resistant fabrics. Create warmth and ambience with string lights or lanterns for evening gatherings. Include plants in beautiful containers. Consider mums, ornamental cabbage, and tall grasses for fall interest. Add an outdoor rug to define the seating area and create warmth underfoot. Consider a simple fire pit or chimenea for chilly autumn evenings. The key is creating an outdoor space that feels as thoughtfully designed as your interior rooms, where the transition from inside to outside feels seamless and intentional. Creating the Studio McGee look isn't about having unlimited budget. It's about understanding key design principles that create maximum impact. Always start with your largest pieces first, then layer in smaller accessories. Use the rule of threes when styling. Group items in odd numbers for visual appeal. Mix textures rather than patterns for a sophisticated look. Choose one metallic finish and stick with it throughout your space for continuity. Invest in quality basics like neutral furniture and bedding, then change seasonal accessories for variety. Don't forget about scale. Small accessories get lost in large rooms. Edit ruthlessly. When in doubt, remove something rather than adding more. Remember that negative space is just as important as filled space. These professional tricks will elevate your home from decorated to designed. You don't need designer prices to achieve Studio McGee style, and smart shopping can create beautiful results on any budget. Start with thrift stores and estate sales for unique wooden pieces that just need a fresh coat of paint. Dye your own artwork using simple frames and nature prints. Shop your own home first. You might already have pieces that work with better styling. Invest in a few key pieces like quality throw pillows or a beautiful rug. Then fill in with budget finds. Use paint to transform existing furniture rather than buying new. Create your own seasonal decor using natural elements from your yard. Focus spending on items you touch daily like bedding and seating. Remember that good design is more about editing and arranging than expensive purchases. We've covered so much ground today, from creating that perfect welcoming entryway with clean lines and autumn textures to styling every room in your home with Studio McGee-inspired elegance. The beauty of this approach is how it creates a cohesive flow throughout your entire home while celebrating the cozy warmth of fall. Remember, great design isn't about perfection. It's about creating spaces that reflect your personality while functioning beautifully for daily life. Start with one room and gradually extend the style throughout your home. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video inspired you. Subscribe for more design content that'll transform your space. And comment below with photos of your own Studio McGee-inspired transformations. I absolutely love seeing how you make these ideas your own. Until next time, keep creating spaces you absolutely love coming home to.